Sketch a graph of f of x equals the square root of x plus 2, and use this to sketch a graph of f inverse. Then use this graph to find an equation for f inverse. We know that f of x equals the square root of x plus 2 is just a transformation of the graph of f of x equals the square root of x, but shifted to the left 2 places, 2 units. So we start off with y equals the square root of x, which we've graphed many times. I'm just going to put in those most important points. And then from there, we shift to the left 2 units. So that gives us this point, this point, this point, and this point. And so this is our graph, y equals f of x. Now, to find the graph of the inverse function, we have to reflect this across the line y equals x, which we can do either by drawing the line and trying to reflect it by sight, or we can take each of the points and swap the x and y coordinates. That's my preferred method. So instead of -2, 0, we'll look at 0, -2. Instead of -1, 1, we'll look at 1, -1. Instead of 2, 2, we'll look at 2, 2, because if we replace 2 and 2, we get the same point. And instead of 7, 3, we've got 3, 7, which is up here. And if we connect these dots, we can see that this is half of a parabola, and the parabola specifically has been shifted down 2 units from the origin, and so this function is going to end up being x squared minus 2. However, we only have the right half of the function, where x is greater than or equal to 0, so we restrict the domain to x being greater than or equal to 0, and this is the equation for the inverse function.